guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing my all-time favorite cleaning routine with you, and this is a routine that will change your life. It changed my life, and it may seem like a big undertaking, so I'm gonna break it down into tiny steps for you. It's all about leveling up. Like, life is about leveling up, starting at the bottom and working towards a bigger goal. So let's jump into my nighttime cleaning routine right now. Before we jump right in, here's my disclaimer. My house doesn't actually look dirty, but that is the point, you guys. When you do a nighttime cleaning routine, it never gets dirty. It just stays perpetually clean and tidy, but it's work. It means putting on your big girl pants and forcing yourself to do this every single night, but it's gonna save you time. You're not gonna have to scrub and really deal with gross. It's always going to seem clean and tidy. And that is exactly the reason that we're doing it. So here's the nighttime cleaning routine right now. So I'm gonna have a free principle for you, but I don't want you to be overwhelmed by all the crap I do before I go to bed. I started with one thing, and that's exactly what I want you to start with too: dishes. Every night before you go to bed, just make sure that there's no dirty dishes. Force yourself to do this, whether it's loading the dishwasher or even having to hand wash. Once you've mastered the dishes, it's all about the quick 5-minute tidy. Just main living areas here, throwing things back in their place or at least containing them into one small area so we can move on to the next step, which is wiping down the surfaces. You may be starting to feel overwhelmed, but I promise you, if you're doing each step by step until it doesn't feel like work anymore, then you add the new one, it's completely effortless. So your dishes, tidy, and then wiping surfaces, and once you've mastered that, you're gonna do a quick spot mop and spot vacuum of crumbs or spills, and adding that to your nighttime cleaning routine. And last but not least, every night before bed, I want you to take a few minutes and put away one load of laundry. Just one load of laundry. I promise you, at first it's gonna be like, oh, groan, I really wanna go to bed or watch that next episode of The Bachelor or whatever it is you love to do, but force yourself. So that's it. That's my nighttime cleaning routine. And it might seem overwhelming when you look at the whole thing, but I promise you, if you break it down step by step and slowly add those new tasks, it's going to become effortless. This is all about habit building, and good habits is what's going to transform your home and your entire, it's like we're learning how to adult here. It takes practice, but it's totally worth it. So I'm gonna put the free printable to my nighttime cleaning routine down in the description. Give it a try, you guys. I promise you, it will be worth it. See you next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So it's story time. You guys know I went to Costa Rica or Costa Rica. I still am not sure how to pronounce it, and people were like typing in the comments like the word Costa Rica, like this is how you pronounce it. Like that helps me. No, that doesn't. I'm reading it either Costa Rica or Costa Rica. So somehow phonetically put in the comments below how the freak you actually say that. I have no idea. But so it was amazing and majestic and wonderful, and we saw monkeys, and it was like the greatest experience, except for the horseback riding. I haven't rode a horse in a really long time, and I wanted a big horse. I'm a big girl. I was the biggest person in our entire family of 50. So I needed a big horse, and I kept saying that, and they put Milo on this like thoroughbred, and the kids were like on Clydesdales, and it comes to my turn and they bring me an anorexic donkey. It was the skinniest, saddest, oldest looking horse, and I was like, I do not want to get on it. And he's like, he's strong horse. So I get on the horse and it immediately tries to bite me. And then for the next 45 minutes, I am trying to like push up on the stirrup so I'm not crushing this poor little donkey as it's going uphill. I'm trying to lean forward to not kill it. And when it's going down these mountains, I'm leaning back. The whole time it's not only trying to bite me, but it's going off the path and like brushing up against trees and rocks trying to knock me off. When I got off that horse, my legs were jello. They were like burning. I was trying to think light thoughts and like get my weight off of it, but the horse's legs were also burning. So I've learned, first of all, I'm not a big fan of horseback riding, and I almost died on an anorexic donkey in the jungle. So it made for a good story. I'll see you next time.